criminal clash in this country on the comments made by BJP spokesman. I appeal to the people of Karnataka. Let us all maintain peace. This is a state entire world is looking at. It is the headquarters of various international activities. So a lot of employment is being generated here. A lot of finances is being generated here for the growth of the state and the country. So I appeal to all my cadres, leaders, workers of all political parties and all community leaders to see that we guide the people, not to be emotionally take the law into anyone's hand. Let us respect the law. Let us see that we maintain calm, peace, and show that Karnataka is a peace-loving state. Number two is that on 13th of this month at 10 o'clock, the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee all over the state and various senior leaders of the country, we ourselves have decided that to stand on solidarity with our leaders Srimati Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. They sacrificed their position for the sake of this country. Now for the sake of a silly reason which has been already closed by the same BJP government on national run, they are trying to harass them, put them behind bars and create a lot of confusion among the public. One thing we all should remember, it is a family. When UP was being formed, the President of India invited Srimati Sonia Gandhi to be the Prime Minister of this country. In turn, Sonia Gandhi rejected and offered it to an economist to be the Prime Minister of this country for the growth and development of this country for 10 years. Mrs. Gandhi would have become the Prime Minister or Rahul Gandhi would have become the Prime Minister. It was one voice of the country. But still, such a people who have sacrificed their power, lives for this country, they have been harassed by the BJP government. So we want to condemn this harass. We want to show solidarity. The entire country cadres cutting across the party line